In this episode, we're looking at the best dishwasher on the market for every price range.
We have spent a lot of hours to make it easy for you to buy your desired product. We have made a thorough research for you, and we've gathered information not only regarding the specifications and performance of the products, but also regarding the reviews of customers from different websites, so that you don't have to be in any confusing situation in case of purchasing your desired product.
Danby DDW621WDB countertop dishwasher. This product is one of the leading brands in the market and comes with a lot of features. These features include low water consumption, 6 wash cycles for different types of plates, 6 places setting capacity. It also comes with the delay start feature, which enables you to schedule your wash cycles within the range of 2 to 8 hours. It has a compact design, which lets it occupy a little space in your kitchen. This makes it ideal for people who don't have space to spare. On the downside, the customer service is poor. You may have to go through a ton of hassle when you need help. SPT SD9241 SS Portable Dishwasher. This dishwasher comes with a digital display that makes it easy for you to schedule within a range of 1 to 24 hours of delay timer, giving you more flexibility on when you wish to get your dish washed. It also sports 6 different cycles for different types of plates to choose from. Also, an automatic soap and rinses dispenser comes with the machine. This dishwasher consumes low power, which means you save on your utility bills. It is also easy to install, but it is not compatible with all dishes. SPT SD2213S. For this product, one of its features to reckon with is its compact size. Its interior is also made of stainless steel and has a 6-place dish setting rack. Furthermore, it also comes with indicator lights that allow you to set and track 6 different wash cycles. These wash cycles include rinse, speed, mini party, normal, light, and heavy modes. On the downside, it is a little noisy during operation.